In this video, we're going to walk through the various aspects of Formberry so that you can understand how Formberry works and have a good understanding to use it yourself. Now, in our previous video, we walked through all of the installation process. So if you need help on that, go ahead and play that video. Now, when you're in your website and you're logged in the back end, you'll see that Formberry is listed on your dashboard. Let's go ahead and click on Formberry so that we can get to the Formberry screen. Brings the Formberry screen up, and you'll notice the menu expanded over here on the left hand side, and now we can choose what we want to do. One of the first things that we want to take a look at when we're looking at Formberry is making sure that all of our settings are set up to work for us. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on Settings, and that'll bring up the settings screen. Now, the first one are the general settings. It will take a look at things such as the Google Maps, some of the defaults. You've got your autosave timeout, so how long is that going to save, so that you make sure that that gets saved. And then you've got some other information down here too as far as logging, admin notifications. Go through and make sure that all of that information is set up the way that you need to have it set up for your site. Now, also under the settings, you're going to notice the Google Analytics integration. So if we go over here to the Google Analytics, what you'll be able to do is put in your web property ID in there. You can enable the Google Analytics, so you'll be able to control the Google Analytics on the form and have all that information set up. So that's really a nice feature with Formberry, is to have that functionality built in. Now, we also have the anti-spam. So if we take a look at the anti-spam, you'll notice that the anti-spam protection is enabled. And what that will do is that will enable Formberry's automatic anti-spam protection for forms, which will provide a basic level of protection against automated submissions. Now, you'll also notice that you have the ability to install a Kismet or integrate that, so that information is there as well. The next section over here are the countries, and what these countries are for, these are for the address widget. So when you put the address widget on a form, these are going to indicate what countries are going to be populated into that form. So you can choose what countries you feel need to be active or inactive, and you can adjust those settings. When you're all done with all of those changes, what you would do is you'd click on Save, and that would save all of your settings.